Hey guys, welcome to another lecture of C programming. I'm Atul from CyberOcean Academy. In the last representation, I discussed what is a compiler, how can you develop a software, and now in today's lecture, I'm going to discuss OS extension, what is a platform, and what is platform dependency in C language. So let's discuss them one by one. So to understand OS extension, we have to first understand how basically different types of software understands different file extension. Suppose if we have a text file, then we can't open that text file into a VLC software. And same way, if we have a MP4 file, then we can't open that MP4 file into Notepad software. So we can say that a different file extension understands by a different software. A VLC software understands only MP4 file and a Notepad software only understand text file. Same way, we have OS extension. Different operating systems understands different OS extensions. Windows operating systems only understand OS extension .exe. A Mac operating system only understand .dmg OS extension, and Linux operating systems only understand .tar and .rpm OS extension. So if you install a software in a Windows operating system, that only allow by Windows operating system if the OS extension of that software is .exe. So same way for Mac operating system and for Linux operating system. Now to understand platform dependency in C language, we have to first understand what is a platform. A platform is any hardware or a software environment in which a program runs. Our operating system combines with a processor known as a platform. So a platform may be your hardware environment or maybe your software environment. And now platform dependency. So what is platform dependency in C language? So already you know that compilers are OS specific. So if you have a Windows C compiler, it converts a source code into a machine code, and the file extension of that machine code is .exe, and that machine code only understand by Windows operating system. Any other operating system like Mac or Linux does not understand that machine code. Same way, if you have a Mac C compiler, then Mac C compiler converts your source code into a machine code, and the file extension of that machine code, that software, is .dmg. Okay, and that software does not understand by Windows operating system and Linux operating system. Also, if we have a Linux C compiler, then it converts your source code into a machine code, and the file extension of that machine code is .out, and this software only understand by Linux operating system. Any other operating system like Windows or Mac does not understand this file. So here you saw that you write a program in one operating system, okay, and after compilation that program does not understand by any other operating system. Or we can say that write a program from one platform, and after machine code that program does not understand by any other platform. So this is platform dependency. So C language is platform dependent language. That is, you cannot run the same program from another platform. Also, C++ is platform dependent language, and object oriented language like Java, Python, these are the platform independent language. So this is end of this lecture, and thanks for watching. If you like the video on C programming, so please do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.